Hey everyone, I'm Clara. Welcome back. So today we're talking about the past continuous tense, and I promise this is going to be really fun and easy to understand. Alright, so the past continuous is when you're describing something that was happening in the past. Not something that just happened super quickly, but something that was going on, like it was in progress. Making it is really simple. You just use was or were, and then add ing to your verb. Like this: I was reading. She was cooking. They were playing. See? Super easy. Now here's the important part. There's a difference between past continuous and past simple. Past simple is something happened and finished. Done. I opened the door. The phone rang. Past continuous is something was happening. It was ongoing. I was opening the door. The phone was ringing. And here's the cool part. We use both together all the time. Like, I was watching TV when the doorbell rang. The continuous sets the scene. The simple tells us what happened. Together, they make awesome stories. Okay, let me tell you a story so you can see exactly how this works. It's called The Stormy Night. It was late at night. Outside, the wind was howling really loud. Rain was hitting the windows, tap, 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 over and over. Dark clouds were covering the entire sky. Inside, Anna was sitting in her living room. She was reading a book by the lamp. Her dog Max was sleeping peacefully near the door. But outside, total chaos. Trees were bending in the wind, thunder was rumbling in the distance, the house was shaking slightly. Anna was reading when suddenly, crack! A huge clap of thunder broke the silence. Max jumped up immediately. The lights went out. Everything went dark. Anna was walking toward the window when, flash! Lightning lit up the whole room for just a second. She was trying to stay calm, but her heart was beating so fast. The rain was pouring down harder and harder. While the storm was raging, Anna found a flashlight and lit a candle. Max was following her closely. He was whining softly. Poor guy was scared. But slowly, the wind was calming down. The rain was getting lighter. Anna was sitting on the sofa, holding Max close, when finally, the lights came back on. The storm ended. Everything was quiet again. So what did you notice? The past continuous created the background. The wind was howling. Anna was reading. The storm was raging. The past simple showed the main events. Thunder broke the silence. The lights went out. The storm ended. When you put them together, the story comes alive. Here's the thing. When you use past continuous and past simple together, your English sounds natural and interesting. Instead of saying, "It rained and I got wet," you can say, "I was walking home when it started raining, and I got completely soaked." Way more interesting, right? Let me sum this up really quick. Past continuous is what was happening, the background. Structure: was or were plus verb with ing. Example: I was studying. Past simple is what happened, the main event. Example: she called, the bell rang. Together is great storytelling. I was studying when she called. While they were playing, it started raining. So next time you tell a story, maybe about your day or your weekend, try this. Use past continuous to set the scene, then use past simple for what actually happened. Just start noticing it. You'll see it everywhere, in movies, books, conversations, and the more you notice it, the more naturally you'll use it yourself. All right, everyone, that's it for today. I really hope this made the past continuous tense click for you. Remember, past continuous paints the picture. Past simple tells us what happened. Together, they make your English sound natural and engaging. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Clara, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep telling stories, and have fun with it. See you next time.